Hey, how's it going, y'all? This is Dylan Marr with Kia Store East, here presenting the 2025 K4EX. This is a deep sea blue color. We got the LED amber headlights up here. Over on the side, we got the 17-inch alloy wheels. If you come over to the side here, we got keyless entry. So when you're trying to get into the car, you don't have to have the key fob. You just hit the button here. It's going to unlock the car for you. You come over to the side back here, with really deep trunk space, plenty of space for whatever type of activity you might need to do. Also, from here, you got the levers to pull. It's going to lower the back seats down just in case you need that extra storage space. And so from here, you also got your blind spot monitoring on the mirrors here. If you come inside, on the steering wheel, you got your lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, all the little safety features that you want. You also have your different drive modes. You got your normal and sport mode in this level here. So from here, we'll hop inside. I'll show you some more features we have. So from here, we have our premium cloth seat right here. It's a gray color that we have for this model. So for our different camera views for our backup camera, you got your panoramic, small panoramic, large panoramic, shows you the whole screen. You can see everything from here. You also have straight down from your bumper, just in case you need to back up as close as you need to another vehicle. And the K4 actually comes with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, to where you can connect it without using a cord. So you have a built-in charger right here, just as fast as a lightning charger for iPhone. Comes to the back seat over here. This vehicle is super spacious. You also have the 60-40 split, so you can lower the seats down 60% and then 40% on the other side. You also have your plug-ins for whoever's in the back that needs to maybe charge their phone or tablet. Again, guys, this is Dylan Marr with Kia Store East. Come see me, 7301 New LaGrange Road, and I'll get you on one of these brand new K4s.